Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install OptiFabric on Minecraft Fabric. Okay, first things first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Fabric and press enter. Visit the CurseForge website, then navigate to the file section. Look for the OptiFabric version that matches your Minecraft version. So for example, if you were using a Minecraft version 1.20.1, you must download the corresponding OptiFabric version. To do that, click on the three dots next to the OptiFabric version you want to download. Click Download File, then move to the next step. Download OptiFine. In a new tab, type OptiFine and press Enter. Visit the OptiFine website, then click Download section at the top. Find the OptiFine version that matches the version of the OptiFabric you downloaded. And once you have downloaded the file, you can now extract it and open your Minecraft launcher. And lastly, once it has opened, press the version selection over here and select the one with the OptiFine version. And that should work. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now install OptiFabric on Minecraft Fabric. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.